What's up, everybody? And today, my name is Fubster MTG, and you're watching episode 1, the very first of Can I Crack a Pack and Make It Back? As you can see at the bottom, we gotta get to $65.90 in 10 packs of Edge of Eternity. I chose this set as the first one to open because it's my favorite of all time so far. Inside, we can find some crazy creatures like Ice Steel Explorer, Quantum Riddler, or a Boroid. And if not that, then, Shock Lands, Stellar Sights lands, Planet lands. There's a Stellar Sights right there. This set's just got a lot of cool lands. And even on top of that, if nothing else, we can get some of those sweet, sweet full art basic lands. Alright, coming into pack number 3 here. We're doing pretty good so far. We're a fifth of the way through, and we do have about a fifth of the price, so hopefully we can pull something good here. And boom, we get a Quantum Riddler for about $38. I mean, now we're at 54.02. I mean, it's going to be pretty tough to not be able to make all this back here. And by the way, if you're wondering why it's sped up so much, well, first off, most of the cards aren't even worth that much, but also, it's 10 packs. That's 140 cards. Trying to open that in under 3 minutes is kind of tough. Oh, wow, check out that Eldrazi Temple. The first take of this video, the original recording, was about 11 minutes, so trying to condense it down, I had to speed it up a lot. And there we go. We're over our initial cost. Make sure you guys stick around to the end to see how much more value is left in these packs. So we're coming up on our last 2 packs here, and we're sitting pretty comfortably above our goal. But I just want to say thank you for watching, and make sure you guys let me know what you think of the video and how I can improve. I mean, it's the first one I've ever made, so I want to know how I can make it the best for you guys. Also, I got many more packs to open, so make sure you guys like and subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you later.